Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram story from someone. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application and tap on your story and you will find this gear icon in the top right corner. Just tap on it and then as you can see these options here, story, reel and live. So you just have to tap on this story and as you can see the first option hide story from. So there is zero people because I didn't hide the story from anyone, but if you want of course you can. So you just have to tap on it and now you will find all your friends here. So if you want to hide anyone you can just simply tap on the search bar and just search for, like I'm going for Justin Bieber as you can see. So you can simply tap on it and you can select the person you want to hide the story from, let's say this one and this one as well. And when you are done with the selected people you can just go back and now as you can see there are 4 pupils. So these 4 pupils can't see my story because I hide my story from these 4 pupils. So you can just tap on this done in the upper right corner and now your story will be hide from those pupils. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.